A loan servicer takes on a group or a package of loans that they service for individual investors or banks or whatever. And they collect all the mortgage payments and distribute them to the different entities that are out there. Sometimes those servicers will change. And if they do change, you should get a notice of change from your bank and from the new servicer, and not just a new servicer. You need to hear from your bank first before you change your payment to anybody.
Essentially, the reason why the loan is sold that way is because every lender only has so much money to work with. So if we continue to lend and lend and lend and not sell those loans to recoup that capital, obviously at some point you run out of money. So the industry is designed to allow for that to continue to revolve with warehouse lines and as if we have a giant line of credit. Okay. From once you fill that line of credit, that portfolio is sold to whoever you have it underwritten to, and you start all over again. The servicing of the loan then is transferred to that new lender, and there is a premium and a small amount of profit in that for that servicer to do that job. Obviously, it becomes a very valuable commodity to have a servicing portfolio for a lender. As far as the asset manager is concerned, that's a completely different operation. Basically, when you end up in that situation, as you do when you become delinquent and you default in your mortgage, that is a numbers person. That is a debt collector. Okay, they are strictly trying to protect and figure out how to best protect the asset for that lender. Whether that's make a decision on a short sale, on a loan modification, whatever it may be, that person, that asset manager, is really at that point trying to protect the asset. Now, once it has become a foreclosed property, okay, now that part of the asset management is now really just delegated to disposing of the asset. So you're going to hire listing agents, companies that may put them up for sale, and basically you're now in charge of disposing of, selling, and getting that off your books.